Hello mga ka-homeschool! This is another episode of Tech Tuesday with Teacher Nida. And today we'll talk about how to download a YouTube video to MP4 using VLC Media Player. So let's say that your child is having a hard time understanding angles and you found a video online that you think can help him. So you can download a YouTube video in your laptop using VLC Media Player. Say, for example, this is the video that you would like to share to your child so he can better understand angles. So copy the URL in the address bar, then open your VLC program. Just type VLC in the search bar and open it. Let's just wait for the VLC to open. Now go to Media, click Open Network Stream, then paste the URL that you copied from the YouTube video, then click on Play. And this is the video that you copied from YouTube. Then click Tools, go to Codec Information, then copy the information under Location. Copy it, then click Close. Then open another browser. Okay, so on the browser, paste what you have copied. And there you go. All right. Now click on the three dots. Click Download. And then choose where you would like to save it, in your laptop or in your computer. I already saved it in mine, so just click on Save. And there you go. You have the video in your laptop so your child can study it over and over again without connecting to the internet. And that's it mga ka-homeschool. This is Tech Tuesday with Teacher Nida. See you on the next episode. God bless!